Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record voice on the presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open up any document, and after open the document, at first select the slide that you want to add voice, and after select the slide, just click on Insert tab, and at the corner on the media option you can find audio. Then just click on audio, and here you can see two options: audio on my PC and record audio. If you want to record your voice, just click on record audio and type the audio file name, and then click the start button, and that's it. You can see the recording has been starting successfully, and you can see the recording has been start successfully. Now if you want to stop your recording, just click on this stop button and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the voice has been added successfully. If you want to play your recorded voice, just select it and then click on this play button, and that's it. If you want to increase or decrease your recorded voice volume, just put the cursor here and you can find a slider, then adjust your volume, and it's done. And that is how you can record voice on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.